Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are your uh, this is your love reading basically. Okay, so what are your messages on the relationship or the person you are dealing with? So on one side will be your energies, and on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to the situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Pisces. What's on your side, Pisces? So on your side, we have the Judgment. And somehow I saw the Knight of Wands also. So maybe somebody is coming in very, very passionately from the past. I don't know. If that Judgment is that, I don't know. Anyway, let's see what's there on your person's side. Let's see what's there on the person's side the Pisces is dealing with. So we have the Two of Wands on your person's side. The most likely outcome. It's the Nine of Swords. Okay. So with the Judgment, there is some major decision which needs to be taken, or it's the time to take a call, time to make a decision here. We'll see what that is. On your person's side, we have the Two of Wands. So this person is ready to make a move. This person wants to embark on a new journey. This person wants to just exploring the time. What's the pause which they are giving for the right opportunity, the right moment, whatever it is. Maybe they have options, but what I feel is this person wants to. It's looking like a career type of a card as to which way to go, what to do. A very determined and following your dreams type of a card. The most likely outcome is the Nine of Swords. There is a lot of anxiety, overthinking, depression, whatever it is, sleepless nights. Okay, let's see what this Judgment is. What is this Judgment? Let's clarify this Judgment for Pisces. So for the Judgment, we have the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. The Devil, the Five of Swords, and the Hierophant. Let's see what is this Two of Wands about. Let's clarify this Two of Wands. So for the Two of Wands, again we have the Judgment, the Ten of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Fool. Okay. Ten of Cups. Let's see what is this Nine of Swords about. Why is this Nine of Swords here? As the most likely outcome. So for the Nine of Swords, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Moon, the Three of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Empress. Okay, so finally something good and beautiful, and the Three of Cups. Okay. So for the Judgment, we have the Eight of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, Three of Wands. So here what I feel is, and then we have the Devil, the Five of Swords, and the Hierophant. So what I feel is there is a decision which needs to be taken regarding a relationship because of some fight, something has happened in this relationship over here. That's what I feel. Seeing the energies of both the sides, there has been some argument, there has been a fight, because of which you have sabotaged this relationship. Okay, and that is what the decision needs to be made. The decision needs to be made regarding a commitment, maybe a marriage, and because of something here, something has sort of damaged it. So see, maybe normally this Eight of Wands is a good communication, but somehow what I feel here is because after the Eight of Wands, see the Knight of Pentacles and the Three of Wands. So somebody slowly and steadily making an exit here. That's what I feel, wanting to exit. Somebody is walking away after this communication. There is a communication over here, after which somebody is slowly and steadily walking away towards something else, a different horizon. And the reason seems to be there has been, because of the Devil and the Five of Swords, there has been some sort of negativity, something here, some temptation, some addiction, some toxicity, maybe overbearing, obsessive love, whatever it is. Something has happened over here which has sabotaged this relationship, and because of that the other person slowly and steadily slipping away from this commitment. On the person's side, again, for the Two of Wands, we have the Judgment, the Ten of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Fool, and the Ten of Cups. So definitely a decision has to be made, and this person is just ready to exit here. Three of Wands, Two of Wands, somebody here is ready to exit and make a move, and that is a decision which has to be made over here regarding a relationship which you're already in. And with the Ten of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Fool, and the Ten of Cups, so what I feel is a decision has to be made regarding this relationship again. That do we really, because somebody here feels like that they are done with it, they really don't want to deal with it anymore. And what I feel is the communication is there regarding a new beginning. Okay, and maybe that regarding a new beginning, that communication itself may have a little bit of an argument or something involved in it, because they feel that they are done with it, I really don't want to deal with it anymore. And but then yes, there is a new beginning. Okay, let's talking about it, there is a little bit of heated discussion, and then okay, let's take the leap of faith one more, and it's regarding this Ten of Cups which you really want to have. And we have the Hierophant here, so definitely there is love, this is a stable relationship here, but there is something which has sabotaged it here. Maybe that with the Devil it is some sort of an obsessive love perhaps. The most likely outcome, we have the Nine of Swords. For the Nine of Swords, we have the Six of Pentacles, the Moon, the Three of Swords. So definitely the Three of Swords and the Nine of Swords, a lot of heartache, a lot of pain, a lot of anxiety, things not very clear, trying to restore the balance here with the Six of Cups. Then we have Six of Pentacles, we have the Four of Cups. So both of you are really upset, both of you are in pain, both of you are not able to sleep, both of you really don't know what's happening as such. We want to restore the balance, both of you are upset, and definitely there is a new beginning here with the Empress, and there is a reconciliation also with the Three of Cups. Additional message is, take a chance on love. Number 23 may be of some significance for you. Take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So that is an additional message for you, Pisces. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.